Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread Malai. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 8 slices of white bread. Make sure to trim off all the crusts. Next, measure out 2 cups of full-fat milk and 1/4 cup of sugar. Don't forget 1/4 cup of your favorite chopped nuts, like almonds or pistachios, and 1/2 teaspoon of fragrant cardamom powder. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the delicious rabri. Pour 2 cups of full-fat milk into a heavy-bottomed pan and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Continue to simmer, stirring often, until the milk reduces to about half its original volume and becomes thick and creamy. Then, stir in 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Cook for another minute until the sugar fully dissolves and the rabri reaches a lovely, rich consistency. With your rabri ready, it's time to assemble. Quickly dip 1 bread slice into a little plain milk, just enough to soften it, then gently squeeze out any excess liquid. Place a spoonful of the thickened rabri and a sprinkle of chopped nuts onto 1/2 of the softened bread. Carefully fold the bread over to create a semicircle, or roll it up if you prefer. Repeat this process for all 8 slices, arranging them neatly on a serving plate. To finish, pour any remaining rabri evenly over all the assembled bread Malai pieces. Now, generously sprinkle the rest of your chopped nuts over the top for a beautiful presentation and added crunch. For the best flavor and texture, cover the dish and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.